Hi guys! So today pupunta kami ng birthday party, anak ng kaibigan naming Pinay. So magte 10 years old siya. Ready na kami, paalis na kami. Ito may dala akong kutsinta pala guys. Yung kambalan doon na sa labas. Kami lang tatlo ang pupunta guys. Yung asawa ko may iba siyang lalakarin today kaya hindi siya sasama. Dito na kami guys sa may birthday venue, sa may park gagawin. Dito pala sa loob ng building. Inside the building, he said. There you go. Great na. There you go. Ay, may pang ano pala. Ito yung ano ko, kutsinta. Hello! Ito, ang ganda naman ng venue. Hello, Millie! Hi!
Sa pala nag-live?
Hindi, sa YouTube ko. Si Flor din. Hindi, kutsinta siya. Ube flavor. Parang maganda dito ang venue para gawin sa kambal. Hi, Day.
Anong bit-bit mo?
Kutsinta. Ito, kutsinta, guys. Dito. Ate. Amen. Happy birthday, Neil.
Birthday Neil!
Ayan ang food, guys. Oh. Leche flan. Filipino foods. Parang nag-cater si ate. Ang galing naman. Kain tayo, guys. May tinola. Konti lang bisita, guys. Si Boy. Wala man ayun. Ito si Neil. Ito si Neil. Happy birthday, Neil. Happy birthday boy, si Neil. Dito na naman kami. Magkasama kami ni Pinay Mami USA, guys.
Hello guys, please subscribe Ellen's vlog.
Thank you. Happy birthday, dear Neil. Happy birthday to you. Dito na kami ngayon, guys, sa bahay. Nakauwi na kami galing ng party. Tumagal-tagal lang kami ng konti, guys, kasi naglaro pa yung mga bata sa park, guys, sa may playground. Oh my God, saan nandito nasira? Kasi guys, tingnan nyo, may dala ako mga bring home. Nag-sharon kami lahat ng mga pagkain. Ayan. Dalhin ko muna to sa loob, guys. Mukbang na naman kami dito. Pinoy food sa bahay ni Sis Rin. Ayan.
Tubig na hindi mo lamig? Of course not. Ayaw ko naman.
Cucumber salad. Laing. Ampalaya.
Mamaya na ako magmalamig.
Bangus. Palabok.
Share na lang natin yung ano mo, Day.
Ito. Muscle. Yeah. Sarap, may kapitbahay. Diretso agad sugot.
Dapat yung
Maganda
pag
diba?
bahay malapit.
Correct nga. Diretso lakad. Oh.
Yeah,
bike.
may kapitbahay din ako na ano, yeah.
Yung kapitbahay ko, hindi naman.
Ganda ng table setup, guys.
Lalo, punta ka dito, kainan tayo.
Tapos na kami kumain doon, guys. Nag-lunch. Doon sa bahay ng aking kaibigan. Ang ganda ng view sa likod, guys. So, dumiretso agad ako. Nag-walk. Maganda naman ang weather eh. Mainit nga lang, pero okay pa rin. Ang ganda ng spring flowers, guys. Yellow. Ang dami kasi naming nakain doon. Kaya, ito, nag-walk. After mag-walk, kukunin ko naman yung kambal sa bus stop. May kapitbahay, guys. Isang tawag lang, punta agad. Kasi mostly lang naman nasa bahay lang ako kung wala akong lakad or hindi ako pupunta ng grocery store, ganun, nasa bahay lang ako. Pinapunta ako ng kaibigan ko, ako yung nagprito ng
daing na bangus. Tapos nagluluto siya. Mayroon din dala si Ate Malu ng laing. Tapos si Ate Veronica may dalang alamang galing Pinas kasi yung anak niya umuwi ng Pinas for 3 weeks. Kaya yun, sarap ng pagkain namin. Tingnan nyo yung view guys. Ayan. Dito lang to sa neighborhood sa amin guys. Mabuti nga mayroon maganda yung neighborhood. Pwede kang walk. Guys, tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Ito naman white. Nagbo-bloom na sila kasi springtime. Ganda tingnan. Wow. Lahat yan, ganyan. Meron dito sa may walking path. Ang ganda. So naligo na ako guys pagkatapos ko mag-walk. Ngayon naman ay pupuntahan ko yung Kambal sa bus stop. Susunduin ko sila doon. Ganda ng weather guys. Sunny. Mainit-init na rin pero okay pa rin kasi parang spring pa rin to. Spring weather. Yung bus guys, ayan. Bus nila. School bus. Hi! Hello!
Wait,
Where are you
Sam,
going?
Oh, this
What
was in my
happened?
backpack the whole time.
School?
Good, good,
How's school?
good.
You sure?
Yes.
Good, good. Oh, watch the poops. Watch the poop. Hey! I poop. Doing the computer class. Why did you get warning? What? Ariana, what did you do?
Oh, I talked without raising my hand.
Again, same thing. The same thing over and over. Always raise your hand before speaking. That's the number 1 rule. So may warning daw si Ariana guys na naman. Warning sa class. Come on, let's go. Dito na kami sa bahay guys. Patty, take out your lunchbox. Gutom sila guys. Bigyan ko muna ng merienda. You finish your carrots? Everything? That's good.
It's good. It's so good.
How about the hot dog?
Yeah, I did. The first time I told there was only carrots in there. The second time I
Yeah,
saw the.
I put ranch
Yeah.
in your lunchbox too. Take out the stuff in your lunchbox, Pat. Put it in the sink.
I'm already
The
done.
Tupperwares and stuff.
Like, please
Give me the water bottle. Give them responsibility. Let me see, did you finish all the lunch?
Yep.
So, I made them lunch this morning, guys. They had a hot dog and
I have two.
carrots with ranch.
Yeah.
What did you have? Chips? The spicy chips? Did I give you an applesauce? Did I put applesauce in your lunchbox too? Oh, okay.
Mom, can I
Then
have,
ubos nila guys.
Mom, can I have
It's all
three?
empty.
Can I have 2 of these? And then the other.
Yeah, you can. Kanya-kanyang kuha ng snacks. Patty, what are you getting?
I
No,
want
not
to-
this one. There's peanut there.
I'm not getting that.
You want this?
Well, how does it taste like?
This is Daddy's cracker.
I want it.
Okay, try that one.
Look.
Ay nagbigay ng white rabbit na candy sa amin, guys.
I want one. Okay.
So, kinakain nila ito.
I want all the
Iwan ko
white
saan
ones.
galing yan. Sa Pinas ba or
I
sa
like
Seafood
the
City
white.
Market sa Las Vegas? Maybe.
I like the white
Eh,
ones.
only two.
Oh,
Two.
I got one in my pocket.
Not a lot. Eat good food first. Sit down. Here, you sit over here. Cheese in
Oh, I
it?
got some.
There's cheese in there.
I'll get all of it.
Kain sila cold cuts, guys. Salami and pepperoni. What's this? Oh, that's a chicken. Oh no, this is ham. That's ham. You want ham? Okay, get a slice, one slice, and this is a cheese. Provolone cheese. Patty, do you want cold cuts also? Pepperoni salami, do you want some? No? No, thank you. Lumabas yung kambal, guys. Nandito sila sa labas, kaya puntahan ko sila. After nilang nagmerienda from school, gusto nilang lumabas. Sabi ko, basahin muna nila yung book nila, yung take-home books bago lumabas. What? No. Only here. No, Santa Fe Park. Ayan yung playground, guys. Ayan. So, dyan sila lagi kapag lumalabas dito, naglalaro. Kasi yan yung building yan yung office. Tapos may playground. May upuan dito at saka lamesa. Yan. Magtatambay, guys, habang maglalaro sila sa playground. Okay. Bye, guys. See you in my next video.